Welcome back to my channel. Once again, you are watching Design Jazz. My name is Satya Sundar. Do you know what is the total target of solar energy in India by 2022? Whatever the target, out of this total target, 40% of the target will be achieved by decentralized solar power plant. Sometimes these decentralized solar power plants are called as distributed solar generations. Distributed solar generation consists of different kind of off-grid system, on-grid system, mini-grid system, microgrid systems. So many companies and so many PV aggregators are there in India. Those who are technically very much efficient to do a that is what smaller project in solar system. Maybe some 1 megawatt, maybe within 1 megawatt, or maybe 500 or 600 kilowatt peak like this. And these solar integrators and aggregators and the project developers, they do have much idea to go for a bigger power plant. They can install the bigger power plant. Technically they are very much well efficient. They can install the system. They do have some great ideas, so that to go for a innovative product, but they are not able to implement it. Why? Because implementation से आता है आपका पैसा. If ever the money is not there, if ever you are not financially stable, then you could not able to install a bigger power plant. सो जो छोटा मोटा बहुत कंपनी चलाते हैं जो पीवी इंस्टॉलर का, तो उनके पास बहुत सारा आइडिया है और वो भी बड़ा मेगावाट का सिस्टम भी इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, सोलर जनरेशन कर सकते हैं, पर उनके पास पैसा नहीं है एंड वो उनको पता नहीं है कि कहाँ पे वो अप्लाई किया जाएगा ताकि उनको फंड मिलेगा. Many of the investors are there, foreign investors are there, those who are encouraging the parties and those who are encouraging these solar aggregators to go for a bigger project, and they will provide you the fund. But thing is that all these small companies of the solar aggregators, they could not able to get the proper channel. तो उनके पास पहुंचना है तो कैसे पहुंचेंगे? So there should be some proper channel, there should be some proper format, how you will go for applying the fund. Then if ever you will be getting the fund, definitely you can run and you can install a bigger power plant, and your company will be a great company. So today I am going to discuss with you what is the funding agency, how you will get the this external fund from foreign fund, and how you will apply for the fund. Everything I am to discuss with you, and what is the pros, and definitely there are no cons are there. So बने रहिए वीडियो के अंत तक. And if you are watching the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So without talking much, let me guide you. The organizations where you apply the fund is USCIF. So what is USCIF? US India Clean Energy Finance. US India Clean Energy Finance is a consortium of, you are not getting what is consortium. Consortium means it's a partnership. So USCIF है, that is a partnership of 3 organizations. So what are the 3 organizations? That is Climate Policy Initiatives, and that is OPIC, Overseas Private Investment Corporations, and the third one is that is MNRE, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy of Government of India. So ये तीनों के बीच एक कंसोर्शियम हुआ है, ये तीनों के बीच एक मतलब पार्टनरशिप हुआ है, and some other parties are there, some other foreign investors are there in the US. They are having much money and they want to spend the money too. तो उनके साथ इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ एक कंसोर्शियम हुआ है, एंड दे आर कमिटेड विद दिस कंसोर्शियम to provide financial support to the solar aggregators and the solar project developers. So millions of dollars are there, they want to spend, and the thing is that पैसा उड़ रहा है, अब आपको पकड़ना है. तो आप कैसे पकड़ोगे? So definitely you should know how to apply and where to apply. So you can go through the website of United States India Clean Energy Finance.org, that is USCIF, that is .org, and you can go for applying the fund. But before that you should know what exactly the constraint, the minimum constraints they have put, मतलब कंडीशन दिए हैं और मतलब वो एलिजिबिलिटी एक फिक्स कर दिए हैं. अगर वो तीनों एलिजिबिलिटी आप पार कर जाओगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी एबल टू अप्लाई एंड यू कैन then we will go for the next procedures, right? So here, what are the three eligibility? The first eligibility is coming that whatever your company and whatever your farm will be there, that should not be blacklisted by the any of the government agency or maybe any of the that is public sector unit. This is the first condition. And the second condition for this eligibility criteria is that whatever your टेक्नोलॉजी वॉट एवर द टेक्नोलॉजी यू आर अप्लाइंग, सपोज आप एक सोलर पंप डेवलप किए हो एंड उसको आप लगाए हो कहाँ पे, बट दैट सोलर पंप हैज़ टू बी टेस्टेड बाय एमएनआरई accredited laboratory. It has to be tested and it is to be proven by the MNRI accredited laboratory. अगर ये है तो कर सकते हो, नहीं है तो कर नहीं सकते हो. So this is what the second criteria. And the third criteria is that, which is the much important criteria of the eligibility criteria. This is whatever the solar plant you are installing, this should be a purpose for the commercial purpose. It should not be used for the residential purpose. So if ever you are applying the fund and you will be going for a bigger power plant, so definitely it will be commercial purpose. So these are the three eligibility criteria to be filled before applying for the fund. And now coming, what kind of project you should be doing to get the fund. This is off-grid system, maybe mini-grid system, macro-grid system with grid connectivity and without grid connectivity. अगर grid connectivity होगा माइक्रो-ग्रिड का तो भी होगा, अगर grid connectivity नहीं होगा बस अपना एक decentralized off-grid system होगा तो भी होगा. Now coming to the rooftop system. Rooftop system and ground mounted system, each capability of individual power plant will be less than 5 megawatt, and the aggregate plan of your company, the size will be 20 megawatt. मतलब let's say in a year you plan in location 1, location 2 or whatever locations, the aggregate installation capability you have to plan, that is what, let's say within 20 megawatt. So then definitely you can apply for the fund. And also some solar products will be there, like solar LED lights, the solar lanterns and solar powered pumps. So you can sell this all solar products to the customers, and it is also included in the this criteria. तो बहुत बात कर लिए, अब चलिए बात करते हैं कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे through the that is uscif.org site. So go to the site. So to apply for the funding, first you open the Google page, Google home page, then you here click over here and you search for UCSAFE, that is USICEF, and you search over here. So whenever you search here, so here you can find this is the UCSAFE website. It is coming over here, market. The UCSAFE gets support for solar projects. So click over here. So this is the link is there. So go to the official site of UCSAFE. You click over here. So whenever you click here, so many news are coming on the front page. You mark it, and here there is a scroll button is there, side scroll. So click over here. Then you will go for the next news. Click over here. Then you go to the next news, click over here, then you go to the next news. So mark it where it is written and what it is written. India's first project preparation facility to scale up distributed solar power projects and drive long-term financing. So under this tab you have to apply. So mark it, there is a apply now tab is there. So you click over here, the apply now. So whenever you click over apply now, so regarding the project that is supported project and what are the different funding agency, it is all written over here. So you can read if you want, but you need not to read because I have already told to you. So scroll down and directly go to the that is what how to apply page. So here there is a apply now page will be there. Everything they will contact you by means of mail ID. So mark it here, there is a apply now tab is there, so directly you go for apply now. That means you have to give your all details through the online portal. So click over apply now. So whenever I click over here, mark it here, the project developers is coming and it is given that please complete the form below with all your details, contact informations. Upon submissions, the applications will be sent to the email address provided. That means it is saying that first of all you have to give all your details, your first name, your last name, then your job title, your company name and your mail ID. Phone number is not necessary because they will contact by mail. So do not give the phone number, better you give your mail ID because for easier communication the mail ID will be best. So I recommend you to choose the mail ID and here you submit here. So let us fill up the format. So my name is Satya, so whatever your name, you give your name, fill up the first name, then last name, then go to the job title. So I give this is for project engineer, so whatever your job title and what is your company. So I give this is company is, let's say for an example, WAS. So email ID, so let me give my mail ID, so you give your mail ID. So my mail ID is bhanusakti.bharat@gmail.com and this is the mail ID. Here you can contact to me for your convenience. I am telling to you, if ever any difficulties is there for applying this form and whatever the terms and conditions, everything I will be solving your doubts, and you contact over me any doubt regarding solar system, you contact me by this mail ID, right? So now coming back to the applying procedure. So you scroll down here. Now how did you hear about this UCSF? So I can see tick over here web search, then you submit, mark it. There is a submit button is coming over here, right? So you click over the submit. So whenever I will be submitting here, whatever the email ID I have provided and whatever the email ID you will be giving, so whatever your email ID, they will be sending a form to your mail ID. So mark it here, they have written here, it is showing, thank you for your interest in UCSF. We have sent the project developers applications to the email address provided and will follow up shortly, right? So here the registration process you have completed, then you go back to your mail ID. So let me search my mail ID. So here you go to the mail ID. So here I have opened my mail ID. So mark it here. They have sent a message. They have mailed me. So accordingly, they will be also mailing you if you will apply. So what is written here? Thank you for your interest in applying UCSF as a project developer, because you are the project developer. You are going to install the system. So that's why they are telling that you are the project developer. That means you should be a solar project aggregator and you should be a solar project integrator. So please fill out the attached application and send it back us. They are giving the mail ID, so mark it here. So whatever the application they have given to you by your mail, so you have to fill all the applications and you have to send the application by means of mail. So this is the mail they have given to you. So you can send your application to this mail. Everything they will contact you by means of mail ID. Then here UCSF project developer applications. Now you find here, and here this is the application. Whenever you click over here, then definitely you will go for the downloading the application form. So click over here. So it is showing which browser. So any browser you open it. So I have already downloaded it. So it is showing to me again. So let me download it. So after downloading, here you open that file. So this is the complete application form. It is given by UCCF market here, US India Clean Energy Finance, and UCCF application for project developers. So you can find all details over here about UCCF, whatever the eligibility criteria and what is the application components, in which area you can apply, then what is the contact mail ID market here. The contact mail ID is also there here. Directly scroll down to the application form. So this is the application form. So everything is given in this application form, and you have to fill the application form, and you have to give this application form by this mail ID, whatever the mail ID they have provided to you. So you can see over here brief details of the applicant company. So it is asking registered office, telephone number, contact mail ID, PAN number, everything will be there. Whatever your company, GST, PAN number, Aadhaar number, everything you gave it. Details of existing term and loans. Suppose you are applying for a loan, right? And some projects are also ongoing projects. Let's say some integrators are there, those who are doing a project in different locations, and they have already applied for the loans. So if you have some ongoing projects also, then also you can go for applying for the fund. So here that is showing that details of existing term and loans, whatever the loans, if you have any, then you can give over here. And the brief details of the project market here. This is the brief details of the project. So what the project you are going to install, and how much is the capacity, everything you can give it. And what is the project cost, so the estimated cost I have to give it. And this is what the brief details of the program facilitated for financial intermediaries. So market here, brief details of the program facilitated for finance intermediaries. That means some financial intermediaries is there, those will be giving you the loan. So if ever any agencies are there, then you can give the name over here. So this is what the complete form. You fill this form. So this is what the complete form. You fill the form and send it to the mail and wait for the good result. And if you want to know how to fill the form, ये फॉर्म जो कैसे फिलअप करना है, अगर आप ये जानना चाहते हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर दीजिए, ताकि आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से हम और एक वीडियो बना देंगे. So we'll be doing a separate video how to fill all these respective fields, and we'll be giving the video in the channel, because this is a very complicated form. So at any time, any moment, if you want, then you can give me the comment, you can contact me. I will be doing a separate video on basis of your requirement. In which area you will be in trouble, you give me in the comment section. I will be doing a separate video for that. And there is a request to you that you watch my other videos also in this channel. You go to the cover page and find all other videos. I have given some videos in the that is design calculations, and for the new technologies ahead, and whatever the government schemes, and some other that is innovative ideas. So everything I will be covering in this channel. Also I have uploaded some of the videos in my channel, and you know, many of the people, many of the that is solar developers, they want to design the system by means of softwares. So also I have started a training program by means of that is YouTube channel, this channel, that is system advisory model. So you can find the training videos in my channel. So subscribe the channel and avail all those videos. That is system advisor model is one of the best model, you can say one of the best software. So by means of the software you can design the system, and one video I have uploaded, and I will be uploading other videos also, and it will be more than 20 training classes will be there. So this is hands-on training completely. So it will be more than 20 classes, 20 online classes will be there. Just go for the free subscription for the channel, and you find all the videos in the channel and get the knowledge in solar PV design, that is manual calculation, manual design, software calculations, software design, and the different training courses I'll be providing in this channel. That's all. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel, like the video and press the bell icon. अगर अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना है चैनल को, शेयर कर दो चैनल को. लेट द नॉलेज बी स्प्रेडेड एवरीवेयर. एंड मिलते हैं किसी और दिन किसी और एक वीडियो के साथ. आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग विथ यू whatever the solar technologies will be coming in near future, what are the pros and cons, and what are the scope for you, how you will go for applying that, also from different funds or different agencies. So मिलते हैं किसी और दिन. इजाज़त दीजिए मेरे को. टिल देन आई विल बिगिन कमिंग बैक. गुड बाय.